Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your outfit with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Nino Banana AI on Google Gemini. So first of all, you can open up the Gemini. You can visit gemini.google.com or you can open Gemini app. And then you're going to choose Nino Banana feature shown by this banana icon. And then you can upload your photos. Okay, for the photos, I'm going to use I'm going to use this one. Let's say that this is my photo, and then I'm going to change the outfit to this dress. Okay, and then we can click on open. All right, and then you can add this prompt. Okay, this is the prompt guys, and then you can click on submit and just wait for a moment. The AI will change your outfit with this dress. Okay, and this is the result. And yeah, that's so cool and it looks so accurate. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change your outfit using AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.